Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to this new video. Not on Dogecoin, I'll cover Dogecoin as well, but on Bitcoin, which has been ridiculously strong still. I mean, yesterday with the US opening was very volatile, as you can see. Bit of a shakeout, got some major short liquidations. Initially reached almost 68,000, and then we liquidated some longs. And now we're liquidating shorts again, because I know quite a lot of people, and that's also what I was tempted to do, shorted this spike, right? So they shorted, and then usually the stop losses are above here. So we're probably liquidating those as well, because Bitcoin so far has been ridiculously strong. I mean, if you take a look at this, the momentum is increasing, but the momentum is not even at local highs yet. 2 days ago it was higher, so we actually got a bit of a flush. So that's bullish. The main thing still remains, kind of to cut to the chase, because of course we're bullish, right? We're moving up here with a decent momentum, but a ton of volume, right? Volume at $49 billion, which is great. That's what you want to see with a bullish move. Some real volume kicking in, and then also us holding breakouts. So that's what we're doing as well. But the big question remains, and that question comes up if we zoom out. The big question remains, will we be able to break above this upper structure line, right? So in my opinion, at the very lowest, that's the level right here at 68,000 with the trend line, or the upper trend, or the upper bounce of this bullish flag, or descending channel, whatever you want to call it, whether you're bullish or bearish on the markets. And the value area high right here at 70,000. So the big question is can we break above that, all right? Because if we can break above that, then we're going at least up to 80, at least up to 75, probably up to 80,000 in the next 2 months or so. At the most, that's a conservative target. So that's going to be a major breakout. Now, the answer to that question, in the end, nobody knows, right? But if I would have to give you my answer right now, and this has been my answer for the last couple of days, and I also posted about this on X, my answer at the moment is no, I don't think we will break this level, which is not the end of the world. I mean, if we get up there today and we start dropping down from there, then it's the end of the world, right? Because what you can see right now is that the Bitcoin dominance is increasing rapidly here. So that means that several altcoins at this point of time are actually quite bearish. And if you look at the total 3 right here, the altcoin market, this is by far not as bullish as Bitcoin, right? So it's not all fun and games. We don't necessarily should get very bullish right here, but obviously, or at least in my eyes, the bullish bias is still the best one. I just don't think that we will get a continuation of the bull market now. I think that will happen later. If you look at the fundamentals, for example, the dollar strength index is still super bullish. The 2 times that we actually got the start of a bull market, the dollar strength index was bearish. So if this is bullish, that's not great. And then you also have the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq relatively bearish, right? So Bitcoin for the first time in ages is going against the major stock markets. Maybe that has to do with Trump being elected and a lot of euphoria and positivity because of that. But obviously that's still not certain, right? So the odds of him winning are increasing. That might be fueling this move, but it's not all said and done yet. So I mean, if this move is only based on that, I don't think that's enough to break out now. Then we would actually have to wait until after the election and until after the results, and it would be unlikely, I say, that we will just consolidate up here for the entire time. So short term, I still think we're bullish. We still have a lot of momentum. We still have amazing volume. I don't think we'll break though. So ultimately, I do think Bitcoin is going to pull back. And then what the market is going to do depends a lot on what the Bitcoin dominance does. So the Bitcoin dominance at this point of time is equally as important to look at as Bitcoin itself. That's what I would advise you to do. And my bias regarding trading is still the same. I have a bullish bias, but I'm not longing Bitcoin. I'm looking at altcoins that are overperforming. So for example, earlier today, I longed Dogecoin because I think that there's solid fundamentals and technicals backing that up. But be careful, right? Because like I said, if that Bitcoin dominance does not give up, then altcoins will suffer regardless. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.